G'day folks, it's the Motorrad Rider. Today we're going to go through the unbagging, such that it is, and the install of this Machine Moto Avant front guard extender for the BMW R1200GS Adventure, if you like. Very simple unbagging it will be, and hopefully a very simple install. So stay tuned and hopefully you'll get something out of it. Okay, so opening the bag, very difficult to do. We open up and we put the bag to one side, and that's what we're presented with. Okay, nothing too untoward about that. Generally a piece of plastic that slots onto the very point of the front guard. And these are clip holes and clip mounts for what's in the packaging. Okay, so opening the bag, we have a set of instructions, quite good instructions by the look of it. We also have a protective film that goes on the guard, so it goes on the guard and between this, so it sticks to the guard, does not stick to the fender extender. And in here we have the fixings for the fender extender itself. So what we have in here are two clamps and two Torx 25 machine screws. Okay, so hopefully should be a fairly straightforward installation, and we will do that next. What I'm going to do first off, it wasn't actually mentioned in the instructions, but I'm actually going to just give the actual fender itself a little bit of a wipe down with methylated spirits. Reason for that is that I just want to make sure that the protective film does adhere properly to the fender surface. So it's quite warm here, so it's evaporating quite quickly. So, and it's not showing too much dirt, so that's a good sign. So the instructions state to do one side of this. You'll notice that it's actually split in the middle here, and the idea is that the split lines up with the centre of the fender, which has got quite a defined rib on it. So what we're going to do is peel this side off first, if we can, and we'll just do that. And we will line it up as best we can, and that's lined up in the centre. I might just drop that down a little bit. You can actually apparently relocate this if it doesn't adhere into the right spot. So it's a little bit fiddly. I'd have to say it's a little bit fiddly. But we'll get there. We'll get there. So I've repositioned it to suit, and I'm quite happy with the way it's sitting on. So what happens now is that the claws, these claws that are held in with the two T25 machine screws, they orientate so that the claw is facing inwards, so that it grips the inner part of the guard here. Okay, so put those in, saves a bit of wrestling, put those in and have them sitting there loose. And then what you do is basically slide the extender up like that. They'll automatically position themselves in the right spot. Have your T25 driver handy, keep some upward pressure on the fender extender itself and then tighten them up. Now these do not need to be He-Man tight, they really don't, but secure is good. You don't want it falling off. Okay, so I'm just going to nip around the other side and I'm going to swing the wheel around like that, and I'm going to nip around the other side and just tighten it up, and we will be back. Okay, that's now done. I'll spin the wheel back round for you. Okay, so there you've got it. Now, this particular guard, we made sure that it fitted okay because this particular GSA has got the standard out of the factory bash plate. This has not got the optional heavy duty plate, which I don't need. So this has got plenty of clearance, even under suspension compression. So that's all good. Looks good. And the main reason I got it was to stop the front part of the engine panelling here getting stone blasted and sand blasted. I want it looking good. So yeah, that was the main purpose of getting it, and I think it will do a really, really good job. Time will tell, but I see no reason why it won't do the job, and I'm quite happy with the way it looks. The texturing of the plastic closely matches the texturing of the guard, so it doesn't look too out of place, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So if you've got something out of it, or you're happy with the video, click the like, and if you'd also care to subscribe to my channel, it would be really, really good. And the next install that we're going to be doing will be the radiator guards, and we'll go from there. So look forward to catching up with you. Thanks for your time.